Okay, ladies, so taking a quick break here because I know I owe some people a video um, about how you get your just old tangled, old matted, old beautiful wig, right? This is a hand-tied rosella. How do you get that old mess? Like, look at that. It's just dry. It's frizzled. Um, I don't know if you can see it. It's all tangled, right? It's a lubricant. It's a silicone lubricant. If you're going to be like, oh my God, is she going to put that on her beautiful bell dress wig? Why, yes, I am. Here we go. If you are allergic to silicone, make sure you're wearing some gloves and a mask. Get it there at the nape real good. Comb. And you're like, oh my God, it's not. See how easy it comes out? Yes, there is a smell associated with it, but that's okay. We're going to get it all untangled. Like when I tell you it goes through like butter, it's just a lubricant for your hair. A little bit more over here. It doesn't take much. And look how pretty that pops back up. See how shiny it is? Now, okay, I've got a little bit of tangling here. It is hand tied, so I'm going to turn it inside out. Hold it by the cap here. So now I'm going to get over here. And it looks kind of oily looking. That's okay. We're going to wash it. But it's not tangled anymore, right? So let's get a little bit more here because it's pretty matted. And I know y'all are like screaming over there going, oh my God, I can't believe she's doing this. Doesn't take a lot, just a couple little squirts. And it's not expensive, it's super cheap. I think you can get it in any car store. Okay, get it down here, real good. Okay. And it's just, my comb's just going right through it. You can use a fine tooth comb if you want, but you don't have to. And now, after you do all this and it's all combed out and it's nice and smooth, all you gotta do is go in with a wash. I'll be using my Sin Wig wash and conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, which helps with frizzing. So if you don't have the leave-in conditioner, please go in and order it because it is, and see how pretty that is? I don't know if you can see how pretty and silky that looks now, right? Got quite a bit at the nape, but that's okay. Now we're going to watch it because now it's all detangled. If you've got an old frizzy wig in your closet that you haven't been wearing because it looks like a mess, look at that. Look how pretty. Now we're going to wash it with the Sin Wig, so we'll be back for part 2.